Hello everyone, welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I have a collab video. I am collabing, well, it's more of a tag video, I guess you can say, with Winnie LV, guys. Who does not know who that is, right? Like, oh my gosh, she is hilarious. She is amazing, guys. Go check out her channel if you for some reason have not. But guys, she tagged me on a video and I was like, oh my gosh. So guys, she did a video talking about, I believe she was also tagged on it. I'll put the creator down below as well. But she was tagged on a video called "It's Too Expensive, but I Still Want It." So guys, yes, you know my list is huge when it comes to that, guys, because there's so many things that I want. But we're talking about handbags today, guys, and I'm gonna name a few that I just like want, but I'm not going to probably ever get. Maybe one day I will. I don't know, like, you know, they say never say never. So what if one day, like, I just win the lottery, which I know I probably won't because I don't even play the lottery. But what if one day, like, you know, I don't know, a miracle happens, you know? So if that does happen, these are the handbags that I would get. So guys, just like, oh my gosh, guys, the honor of being tagged by Winnie, right? Oh my gosh. So yes, guys, let me begin. Let me stop blabbing, guys. So first item on my list, it would be the Louis Vuitton bum bag. Yes, the original one, guys, the most wanted bag in, like, I don't know how long. So guys, I am talking about the OG one. Okay, I do have the high rise, but I only got that because I wanted to justify getting the OG one, which I want. I never had the chance to get it. That one was out when I was still not in the handbag game. So you know, now it is, you know, supply and demand. People sell that bag for so overpriced, guys. I think when it was in stores, it was like 1,000 something, right? And now it goes for like around 4 grand, you know, up to 4 grand, depending condition, obviously. But I still see some bum bags out here that have like the canvas cracked and everything, going for over 2 grand, guys. Why? Who's gonna pay that for cracked canvas? I don't know. But that's the price people are putting. And it is not that bad, I guess, but knowing how much it originally cost and then knowing how much it goes for now, used, you know, and knowing how overpriced it is, it's like, am I going to spend that? Probably, because I almost did like 3 times, guys. Let me tell you. So I have been on that hunt for that bag since I started, you know, my bag collection. And I have gone to look at around 3 bum bags, guys, from sellers, okay? People that swear that they're authentic, guys. That's why you gotta be careful and study your shit and know your shit, guys. I'm serious. Real shit right now. Sorry for all the cussing, guys. It's just like, thinking about it gets me a little heated because, like I said, I have gone to see about 3. Quite a drive, guys. And all these people have tried to scam me, okay? Starting off by telling you they were all fake. So this is why I always say I do like to buy vintage, you know, but I do my research before I go buy it. For the bum bags, I tried my best to do my research. I was trying to look at every single little authentication thing. And guys, let me tell you, these fakes are really, really good. But when in doubt, I do the hour authentication. All 3 came out to be fake. You know what, guys, don't even let me get into the story right now. All these stories of like the times I have almost gotten scammed trying to buy this bum bag, because I don't know how people live with themselves selling fakes as authentic. Like, how can you sleep at night, you evil human? So yeah, guys, I almost got scammed with the OG bum bags a few times. I could probably do a video talking about all that and those experiences, guys, but I am still on the hunt. I want to find something reasonable. Like, it does hurt me to pay overpriced for the bum bag, but I honestly would. Maybe like around 2,000 something I would, but I'm not going for that 4 grand shit. Like, hell no. So yeah, so the OG bum bag. Sorry for all that beeping in the back. So yeah, guys, the OG bum bag is the #1 on my list. So Moving on, next item on my list is, of course, a Blinged-out LV bag, guys. Oh my gosh, they are so adorable. There was a Speedy one that Louis Vuitton dropped in the men's collection, a black one, guys. All blinged out. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It is so freaking adorable, guys. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting to do a bag myself, but I'm trying to find the perfect glue. I want something that's gonna last me, not something that I can just do quickly right now, you know. So I'm taking my time, like literally taking my time. I have not even done it right now. But yeah, guys, so oh my gosh, that bag is gorgeous, guys. Like all black. Of course, it's in the men's collection because you know the men get the good bags, right, in LV. So yeah, and there's even more blinged out bags that Louis Vuitton dropped, but those prices, guys, they're ridiculous. Like what the hell? I think that black Speedy one is like around 10 grand. I'm not paying that. I don't think I would ever pay 10 grand for a bag, guys. That's like, I don't know, that's ridiculous to me. If I had the money, hell yeah I would, you know, but I don't, and I'm not gonna waste it on a bag. And honestly, I could just bling it out myself and save myself some money. So yeah, a blinged out LV. If I could, I would. Okay. Next, of course, is the LV Speedy P9, guys. Oh my gosh, those bags are freaking gorgeous, but I don't think I would because they're just too expensive. That's what this video is called. It's too expensive, but I still want it because I do want them, guys. One, a hot pink one. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. A green one because you guys know I love green for my anniversary. It means something to me. Those bags are just gorgeous, guys. The way they just like, they just flow. I don't know, it's just so freaking gorgeous. Shit, if I could, I would have one in every single color, but god, those bags are like almost 10 grand with taxes. I'm pretty sure they go over. But guys, oh my gosh, like, have you seen like the hot pink one? That one is freaking gorgeous. I love that one. Like, you know, walking around, I would like, I honestly don't really like to walk around with bags like right here. I feel like, you know, like but if I had the P9, I'd be like, this is my bag, I love it, you know. But yeah, I don't know, I sound crazy right now, but yeah, so it would be the P9. I just love the look of those bags, so yes, I would get one of those. Guys, how far am I in debt right now just thinking about all these bags? So just with the P9, okay, let's say I get like 2 of those, that's 20 grand. Plus, you know what, at the end I'm gonna add everything, how much money that would be for me to get all these items, okay? So yes, the P9. Next, the LV bag charms, guys, the little mini purse ones. Those are freaking adorable. And I know Winnie did want the P9 as well, and she was talking about the little bag charms, guys. Freaking ridiculous. Louis Vuitton charging out here for a bag charm the same price it's charging for regular bags. Hell no, I'm not fucking paying that. If I had the money, yes, I would. Again, if I had the money for all of these items, I would. But I don't, and I'm not going to, so I'm not getting it. But I would love these. So yeah, the bag charms are just so freaking adorable. I would love to get one, bling it out, wear it as a charm on my bags, guys. That would be a dream. But yeah, it's not happening. If they were like the same price as the Coach ones, guys, because I did just get that Coach one, that denim one. Like, imagine a Louis Vuitton Speedy. This is my first what is it called? I'm kind of getting heated right now thinking about how overpriced these bags are right now. So I can't even think right now. Rowan. Okay, so yes, I started blinging it out. Look at that. So yeah, guys, if they were like the same price as those, like $69, hell yeah, I would have like all those keychains of the Louis Vuitton bags. But I'm not paying like $1,000 for every single bag charm. Hell no, I'd just rather waste that on a bag. Why am I getting so heated? Guys, forgive me, okay, if I'm coming off like all super strong and like, because like, gosh, it's a fucking bag. How expensive can it get? Okay, so yeah, the bag charms. Chanel bag, guys. Oh my gosh, I would love a Chanel bag. I just love the chain. I love the color, how it just like a black regular one, like just, you know, just a simple black Chanel bag. with that gold chain. I just think it's so freaking gorgeous. I would love a Chanel bag, but am I gonna spend 10 grand on a bag once again? Hell no. Not like once again, I have done that before, but like once again, talking about the other bags, you know? What the hell, 10 grand, guys? Like, I don't know. Maybe for like the average person, that sounds insane. Maybe for somebody that's rich, that's like a little pennies, $20 bag. I don't know. But it's just crazy to me, okay? I still have to raise my kids right now. They're little. I still have to send them off to college if they want to go, you know, because now nobody goes to college, but still, you know, like I have to raise my kids, and 10 grand on a bag, I can't. I'm not going to, you know, my kids go first. So yeah, no Chanel bag, but I don't know, maybe one day. Who knows? Who knows? If God permits, you know? So yeah, Chanel bag. Next is a Louis Vuitton padlock. Yes, a padlock, guys. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but they are all blinged out with diamonds. I'm gonna put a picture right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Looking at my phone, hold on. I want to make sure I get the name and the price right. So it is a locket bag padlock, white gold and diamonds. Okay, guess how much it cost? Guess. $95,500, and this is for the white gold one. Okay, because yes, they do have a gold one as well, yellow gold. I just think they look so freaking gorgeous. This one is yellow gold with diamonds, and this one is 93,000 freaking dollars, guys. You know what? I wanted this so bad, I blinged one out myself. And you know what? Guess how much money I saved? Around 93,000. Yeah, look at my luck. I'm gonna put the picture right here so you guys can see it, and look at mine. Same shit, okay? Look at that. Gorgeous. I actually did a video blinging this out, and I love it. It's still functionable. I put it on my bags. Here's my damn diamonds, okay? So yeah, guys, that is my list. Let me add all this up. Okay, so the bum bag, let's round it. I'm just rounding right now. Let me add it together. Bum bag, 4,000. What else did I say? The blinged out Louis Vuitton bag I'm talking about, it's 9,900. Plus, what's the next thing I said? P9s. Those are 9,900, and I wanted 2 of those. At least 2 of those. Okay. Next, what did I say? A Chanel bag. That's like 10,800. That's for the Chanel bag. Next, what did I say? Bag charms. Okay, just look them up. First ones I see is the 𝓭𝓮 and the Speedy, 970 and 960. I'm just gonna add, let's say I get the 𝓭𝓮 and the Speedy. Let's just add 2 bag charms, okay? Just 2 little bag charms. 970 plus 960. Okay. After the bag charms, what did I say? The key locks, because I want the white gold and I want the yellow gold. So that means that's 95,500. Got that right? And the other one, the gold one, is 93,000. Okay, because I love everything that has bling on it, you know. And how would I not want a diamond padlock? Like, that is so adorable. Like, if you see it on the 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 bag, the $1 million bag, beautiful. So okay, I just looked at the number. That's ridiculous. So for the bum bag, the 2 P9s, the 1 Chanel bag, 2 bag charms, 1 Blinged LV bag, and the 2 locks, 7 items, guys, I would need $234,000 with $930, and that's not even including the taxes. So I'd probably need like 300,000. Okay, look at that. For 7 items. So yeah, it is too expensive and I still want it, but no. Okay, so yeah, these are my options for my tag video by Winnie LV, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys want any of these items? What do you want? You know, what do you want that is so expensive but you still want it? It's just, these items are gorgeous, guys, but no, you know, like no. And I'm still gonna be able to live peacefully. Like I said, I can do this myself. I can bling out a bag myself, no problem. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Go check out Winnie's video if you have not. I will link it down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.